What I'm finding though, most people will do the startup plan for a couple months and then they really want to be a part of the group me. And that's where you're going to really, really do well. Coming to the live sessions, I did include that because I almost did not when I started that startup plan, but I really want you to win. And I know in order for you to win, you got to come to the live sessions or at least have access to the replays. So you guys know I don't do nothing half step and I really don't. So it took me a minute to come up with a starter plan. I've been trying to add another level of mentorship for about 6 months. 6 months, guys. I don't move fast. Y'all know I move fast, right? I'm from Detroit. We don't play, okay? We get it done. Ford tough, right? But when it comes to rolling out new products, I'm very slow because I really want to make sure that it's what you need, it's what I need, and that we gonna win together, okay? So I don't just put out junk. So when I rolled out the startup plan, it's actually been working. It really has been. The response has been great. Hey, cuz, my cousin's joining me on the live. How are you? Sent a request to be in your live video. Oh, let me see. Can I get my cousin up here? Let me see. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Let me accept my cousin's live. You can't make this stuff up. Hey, cuz. So while I'm waiting on my cousin to join me on Instagram, he's on Instagram. Let me know if you want to come on, or I don't know if you hit that by mistake. Oh, no, there he is. Hey, cuz.
What's up, cuz? How are you?
I'm good. You should join me on YouTube. Everybody can see you.
What do I need to do?
Go to my YouTube channel, Notary Educators with Kimmi.
Okay.
And then I got a link over there.
Okay, so go with.
Okay. You ain't got time for all that, do you?
No, I'm gonna make time for you. Say hello to Muhammad.
Hey, cuz. How you doing? Good to see you. This is so crazy, y'all. Oh, yeah, go to my YouTube channel, Notary Educators with Kimmi. Just type in Notary Educators and it'll pop up and there's a link in the comments. Cuz I don't know how to send it to you right now on over there. I don't think I do. No, I don't. Y'all know I ain't that technically. So go to Notary Educators. My cousin gonna join me, y'all. He's an entrepreneur too. So anyway, really quick though, I lost my thought when he joined. So, oh yeah, starting. So most people start with the startup plan for about 2 months, and then they actually join the full-blown all-inclusive plan. Okay. So I really want you to get started. That's what I was saying too. I don't roll out junk products. So I wouldn't even roll out a second mentorship entry level until I could get it right. And what I decided was, and I know some people that's in the business space would take issue with this, is allowing you to be able to come to the lives also. Okay. Because I'm a firm believer and I want you to do right. I want you to do well. So that's why I even allow you to come to the live workshops. Okay. Every week there's a live workshop and you can come to the live workshop at the $27 price point, or you can do a replay. It's up to you. Now you don't have access to all the courses and you don't have access to the live chat. The main reason I don't do access to that live chat, see my cousin join me. The main reason I don't do the live chat is because, let me put this link in here, because you don't know enough. And we're talking about apostilles, we're talking about loan signing, we're talking about e-fingerprinting. I mean, we're talking about everything, and that would just be too confusing. And I don't have time to run 2 chats. So when you're ready to upscale and go to the next level, then we can definitely help you, okay? But it's good to see you here. So whatever plan you start in, it'd be good to have you in the program. Donna Mack is here. Hey, Donna. I thought I said hey earlier. Angela says, I've learned so much just being a part of the group me. I know, girl, Angela, we drop gems in that group me, honey, all day. All day. The group me is amazing. I mean, you get just as many gems in the group me as you do the real training. I mean, like for real, because people are actually working. So those questions in the group me, a lot of them are, Angela, like all day long. A lot of the questions in the group me are notaries that have been with us from day one. Hey, Makaz, you couldn't do it?
I couldn't get it. But
that's okay.
I support you, and everyone need to listen to what you're saying. That's my first cousin. She's a very
Oh, you are so sweet.
and follow her lead.
Thank you, cuz.
One with me, and she's about the right thing and leverage the relationship.
Let me cut it up so you think. Thank you so much, cuz. I appreciate it. It's so good to see you too. I'm about to wrap up anyway. I've been here for an hour. My cousin is an entrepreneur too, so it runs in the blood, right, cuz?
What you said.
What you say.
You can't help them.
What?
Okay.
Get it, cuz.
Motivated.
Right,
okay?
right.
I just want to say hello to you. I got a call. I just want to say hello to you.
Okay, cuz. Thank you so much, okay? Bye, little cuz. Right, okay, take care. Bye, little Mo. Okay. So let's get the rest of these comments here. And we are going to wrap it up. Let's see. Sheila says, regarding non-Hague countries, can you go over that a little more? Yes. And Sheila, you are in mentorship, so I'm going to tell you to go watch that Apostille course again. But the short version is you just have a couple extra steps. So like a non-Hague country, let's say, I'm just throwing this out there because I don't have my list in front of me. But let's say like Iraq, Iran, something like that, those countries, they're going to require a little bit more. So you can't just take it down to your local Secretary of State. You're going to have even more steps involved. Okay. So that's the main difference, honestly. It depends. That's why I always say I like to start out. What country is it going to? What kind of document is it? You have to ask those questions because that's going to let you know your whole process. It's like an intake, and there is an actual intake form in the Apostille course that you can download. That was compliments of Diamond. She was asking me something. I said, you know what? We need an intake form. So there's an actual intake form, but that's why you have to ask those questions. And questions equal what, guys? Can somebody tell me what do questions equal? Give it to me. What do questions equal? What do questions equal? Let me know. So Sheila, that's the basics of what have to jump off. See everyone in chat. All right, honey. See you later, okay? Like and subscribe. Miss Darlene says you have a caring heart, Kimmi, and that is why I'm with your program and training. Oh, Darlene, I appreciate it. Watched it twice. No worries, Sheila. When you get your first one, we'll talk you through it. No worries. Because sometimes you actually have to do some things, you know. Can I get an amen? My people know what we're talking about. Questions equal money, guys. So the more questions you're asking, that's going to let you know, hey, boom, boom, more money, more money, more money. But you got to know how to ask the right questions. Okay, you got to know how to ask the right questions. Very good, very good. Thank you all. I really appreciate that. So I really want you to, Miss Sheila, when you get a apostille for a non-Hague, which is so rare, it's very rare. But if it happens, we got you. Okay. So sometimes some things you have to see it, you know, and we can definitely go over it again in training. We've never actually did a non-Hague in training, so that might be something we could put on the actual list to do. But it's just it really is just as simple as the video. You got extra steps. That's all. Okay. Questions equal money. The more questions you ask, and that let you know. Lisa. Questions equal money. She got all these emojis. Yeah, Lisa. Lori just said the same thing. Love it. Yes, guys, you are all so right. Okay, but you know, Miss Sheila, we got you. So if you get one that's non-Hague, don't worry. Don't worry. Ian Grip says, where have you been? I know, Ian Grip. I've been off the radar. I went back and looked today. I said, I have not been live in almost a month. One, because we've been knocking it out the box over in mentorship for real. I mean, I've been going live over there on phone calls. I've been doing pop-in phone calls over there. Just checking in. I've been loving those. So we've been, I mean, it's just been busy. I'm not lying. So I'm trying to start going back live again. I miss going live. I'm a live person. I enjoy lives. Tammy says that would be great. Show us a non-Hague apostille. Yes, we can work on a non-Hague apostille. That's not a problem. We can add that. But again, I don't want you stressing over a non-Hague. I want y'all to get y'all first apostille. We have people doing it. So I know y'all can do it. So, but we will go over non-Hague in case you get one. But again, if you get one, each country is so different. We're going to have to work through it together. Okay. But we got you though. No worries. Any last question we can handle? Donna says, Kimmi, I have a pricing your notary services. Let's talk about the money that I want to donate to someone. The first person who can tell me what you always tell us about getting unexpected work. Oh, Donna, I don't know the answer to the question, but what do I say about getting unexpected work? I don't even know what I say. Oh my God, you're the one giving away the book, giving away the book. So whatever answer they put, you have to decide if it's correct. So Donna Mack has generously offered. Y'all see why we rock with our people? Do y'all see why I love my mentee so much? That's why we are a true community. We're about to offer y'all a book. Okay, let's do it. So somebody answered Donna's question. Donna is giving away a Pricing Your Notary Services book. Let's talk about the money. In that book, I go over how to price your services. The question is, the first person who can tell us what I say about getting unexpected work.